Hello everyone, so in this video we are making a lip vitiligo cover up, but we are not going to proceed with the whole lip places. First we are plan to do the patch test on both the sides in the equal proportions. As you can see, we have started the process already. Yes, the process is happening and we are doing it on both the sides, left side as well as the right side. Both the sides we are doing it, and it is bringing them much more better and the clear output. So I'm making on the left side as well as the right side with the equal proportion so that it will be get matched and gives you the much more better output. So now the treatment is happening so good. As you all know, now as you can see, it's exactly matching with his existing stone, and small bleeding is there, but that's completely normal. It's all will be get settled down, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.